Okay, another one, practice problem 3. Step 1, distribute. There are no parentheses, so I don't need to distribute. Step 2, combine like terms. So I start on the left. I see I have a 1R and an 8R. They're both positive, so I add and combine those like terms to get 9R. I bring down my plus 11, and I bring down my 29. On the right, there's just a 29, so there's no like terms. Get my variables on the same side as step 3. I only have variables on the left, so I don't have to do step 3. Step 4 is get the constants on the other side. So I need to get rid of these 11 by doing the opposite. So bring down my 9R. Now I need to get the R by itself. Step 5 is to isolate by dividing. Divide both sides by 9. R equals 2. Write your answer in the box. I thought we had to explain our step, but we don't. So that's it. Move on to practice problem 4.